So students, this will now, this is this 1.25 and this thing will be added, right? Adding both of them, 31 plus 1 is 32, 16 plus 25 is 41, 32.41 into 10, right? So this gives you 324.1 rupee. So this is the answer, right? Understood. So now we will be next we'll be moving to our volume of cuboid. Till now we did the surface area of cuboid. Now we will be doing volume of cuboid. Okay, students. So it is type 2 concept. Type 1 concept was surface area. Type 2 concept is volume of cubes and cuboid. Okay, now formula for volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by the breadth multiplied by the height. Okay, for cube you already know na, that for a cube length is equal to breadth is equal to height is equal to, let's take it to be a, all are same, right? So it will be length means a, breadth means a, height means a, which is equal to a cube. So these two formulas only you need to know. Now let's talk about the volume. Since we have just done surface area, I'll just compare and I'll try to make you understand. Surface area, like we were talking about a tank tiling. When we are tiling it, we are doing above, means outside, right, from the body. On the body we are doing it. We are painting on the body. We are not painting inside. Suppose there is a wall, do you paint inside the wall? Because inside the wall there is brick. Do you paint inside the wall? No, you paint outside the wall. When you are putting tiles on a, suppose it's a water tank made of concrete and you want to put tiles onto it, are you putting tiles inside the concrete tank or outside? You will definitely put it outside, right? So that is concerned with the surface area, whatever is taking place on the body, whatever is taking place inside the body, whatever is taking place inside the body, whatever is taking place inside the body, that we will be dealing with volume. Understood? Like how much water can be contained into a bucket, how much water can be contained into a in a water tank and stuffs like this. Okay, so let's start this. Our very first question will be just we'll start with the basic. Okay, so I'll not jump onto the higher level as of now. Very soon I will. Okay, let's do a small basic question. So the question is, a child is playing with building blocks. Okay, which are in the shape of cubes, right? So the blocks are in the shape of cubes. Okay, so he have built a structure. He have built a structure. Okay, and the structure is as I'll draw the structure. Okay, for each brick, edge of each brick is 4 centimeter. You need to find the volume of You need to find the volume of whole structure which is built by the child. So let me draw the structure for you. I'll do it with a black pen. So all are the same blocks, huh? Means every brick is of same dimension. Just the placement is different. That's it, students. That's it. Okay. So this is the block, right? So how many number of they want the volume of this. So what you need to do is just need to count the number of cubes into it, huh? And besides that, you need the volume of one block. Once you find the volume of one block, so if there are 10 blocks, so volume of each block multiplied by 10 will give you the total volume of the structure, right? So let's do it, students. Volume of each block is equal to 4 na, so 4 into 4 into 4 centimeter cube. 4 for just 16 for just 64 centimeter cube is the volume of each block. How many blocks are there? 1 2 3 4 5, then 5, then 4, 9, 9 3 12, 12 2 14, and 1 15. Total blocks is equal to 15 in number. They are 15 in number. They are 15 in number, right? So total volume, what is the total volume? 64 into 15, right? Centimeter cube. 15 for the 60, carry 6, 15 6 the 90, and 6 96. 960 centimeter cube is the answer. Now you got it? Okay. So next question will go. Yet another question, students. Now I will slowly increase the level, right? So now this is on a cold store. So length of a cold storage. Cold storage means where you keep you want to keep potatoes for a year, so you can keep that into cold storage. You keep the potatoes in such a way that they don't get rotten, right? Okay, so it's the length of a cold storage is double its breadth. The length of a cold storage is double its breadth. Okay, now its height is 3 meters, right? So length is double its breadth and height is 3 meter. The area of its four wall including doors is 108 meter cube. You need to find its volume. So let's look at the answer. How do we solve it? Okay, now